Well, I come out here and I see all this nice grass and I see how good the conditions are for the tournament, and it looks easy.
Maybe. I don't know, but I don't find it that easy. The easy choice would be sprayed with a chemical. That would be very easy. But it's not that easy. It takes time. It takes time to find the right method.
Hi, I'm Michael Woods. I'm on the third green at Furesø Golfklub near Copenhagen, and there is a DP World Tour event being held this week, the Danish Golf Championship. This third green is the one that we would call the Tour de Fungus green. Every November there is a tour around 7 golf courses in the Copenhagen area. There's an experienced group of course managers who are trying to find a way to have the best playing conditions possible with minimal or no fungicide use. Also, no pesticide use in general for some of these courses. And here at Furesø Golfklub, it is a municipal land, and so the landowner, the community, they said the condition of having a golf course here is to have no pesticides used. And so the reason why I'm here this week, I was so interested to see what the conditions would be like when there is an international level golf tournament, a DP World Tour event held on a golf course to which no pesticides are applied. I wanted to see what the conditions would be like. And I wanted not just to see on television, I wanted to see with my own eyes. I wanted to measure with my own measuring tools. I wanted to take pictures with my own camera to be able to experience this and see it for myself. That's the main reason why I'm here. A second reason for me to be here is to answer the question of how do the conditions here compare to other courses that I've been to around the world. And I've made the same measurements of green speed and firmness and the quality of the ball roll. How do the conditions here on a course to which no fungicides are applied, no herbicides are applied, no plant growth regulators are applied, and no insecticides are applied, how do the conditions here compare? Is the speed and the firmness and the quality of the ball roll similar or much worse than, or could it possibly be better than courses which do have a full range of chemical options available to them for use? So that's the second reason why I'm here, is to collect data so that I can prepare a report for the course manager, Thomas Peel, and answer that question for him. I also wanted to take the opportunity while I'm here in the Copenhagen area in summer to visit a few other golf courses that don't use pesticides. I've been to Royal Copenhagen Golf Club this week, which hasn't used pesticides for many years. And I also went to Sollerød Golf Club, which is nearby, not, maybe 5 or 6 kilometers, I think that way, over my shoulder. That club also on the, they haven't used pesticides for a few years. There's always been a low pesticide use, and now they're not using pesticides. So I wanted to see what those conditions are like. I've been on the Tour de Fungus, but I hadn't been there during summer in the peak golfing season. So I wanted to see that. I'm also from Oregon, where pink snow mold or microdochium patch is a big problem. That's a big problem, especially on putting greens in the winter. There's a lot of chemicals used to control that, to manage that disease. Here in the Copenhagen area, there's a group of turf managers who have formed an experienced group where they share their experiences, good and bad. They share their results, good and bad, with trying to manage that disease. Now they've got a new disease that they're worried about, dollar spot. So I wanted to see where's the worst areas on the course for dollar spot. Where are the largest outbreaks of dollar spot? I found active mycelium this week, and I found some disease scars from an outbreak that happened a few weeks ago. Remember, there's no fungicides used here. So I wanted to see what is the level of disease that actually happens at this kind of golf course with that type of situation. So that's why I'm here, and that's what I've been learning.